So, mm, and we have different links here. And if you see one Star UI app is running, and we can use Angular material. Another like from Amazon or Bootstrap, uh, another style chip framework. Uh, this is optional, but in this case, we need to use a different. We are going to use Phone Awesome, and of course, we are going to use NG Bootstrap for this application for the style. But first of all, we need to make some change here. But let's first of all install the different dependencies we need here. So all this command I'm gonna to put in the comment section, the description of the video. And of course, we need to install the ng booster. So the ng booster, for some reason, for the yeah, this is a conflict we have here. But oh my God, let's see what happened here. Because I got to the package, we have that awesome, but we need, of course, a bootstrapper. In this case, we can just click here and bootstrap. Exactly. So this is the column we need, and the bootstrap. And let's make it clear here. And perfect. The package is installed, so this is not a record comment. So I'll install it. Yes. So with this Angular bootstrap, we can proceed. Let's continue with our config, and of course, we need another things to make. For example, we need another thing to do. We have our app. Here is the routing. We're going to modify this with the different tab or the different page of our Angular application, like login, home, um, transactions, and all these different pages. And for example, we have a style here, and we're using the Bootstrap CSS, but we import some basic style from Bootstrap. So we need to use, in this case, uh, this Bootstrap, this and all this from Bootstrap. And of course, we need to use some for Awesome because we are using for Awesome for the different from Awesome is another style framework. And for this, it is perfect. In the case when you know different things, we can add more later. So now, of course, we need to in the app component. For example, in the app component, we have a lot of all these. If you can see all these style is is come from here. And for that reason, we need to delete all this because we don't need this style at the moment. So we only need the router because this is the only important thing we need at the moment. Well, we can just clear this, delete, and run again our application to see the changes. So it's running now. Okay. So you can see the application running is completely empty. This is good because we have the liberty to now set up all different pages and put all this beautiful. So let's continue with this. And we need to make another thing that is generate or services because sometimes we have a lot of momentum from our backing and we have some tools like Open API generators to generate all the uh, endpoints and API from our backend just with the Swagger UI we have. In this case, for example, we have Swagger UI and we can access to the uh, JSON to the API we have here. In this case, we need, for example, to running a project to access. Yes, going to have this. And here we have all the version of the API, the description of what is this JSON doing and what is the different UR. And with that information, we can proceed. So just copy all this and we need, for example, to put here this here at the moment because it's not needed for the moment. But here we need to create some packages here. So into let's see into the source, we need to create a package or a folder. The folder is Open API, Open API folder. And here we need to create uh, uh, Open API .json file. So this Open API dot JSON JSON, and then all these we can put here. We can paste here, and we have all different specifications for the API. In this case, this is we can change this because we need the bound and this. Yeah, this is okay. This is perfect. And yeah, start API perfect. And then we can change something here, but let's see. I see we can change some something. Yeah, like it's pretty English. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, without this, okay, no problem. We save. And of course, to generate this, we need to make some changes here. Like, for example, first of all, we need to install this ng open API again. This is the plugin or generator of the Open API we're going to use from API. This is now installed. And with this command, we can, for example, run or specification of the Open API JSON and generate or endpoint from this Open API file. But first of all, we need to make some few changes in our packaging. The first changes we need to do here is add in the script section, for example, we need to add this API gem. So for that reason, we need to add this comma, this API gem, and this comma, the meaning of this comma, they're going to read the source, open API package, open API file, and doing an output into the folder of service. In this case, we don't have folder service, but they're going to create this package and all the different classes from us. So this is the way that this generator is working. So let's click here and run the command. Uh, let's save first of all, sorry, and run it again. And now you see all this row was floated for the open API generator. And here we can see the package service with all our services, user controller, transaction account controller, the API configuration, and all this stuff are currently created. So let's take a break and continue in the next session of Mental Channel because was the session to generate the services with the open API generator.